My name's Kobe Yin. I'm in the Pre-Med Pre-Optometry Pathway program. It's a 7-year program, and the first 3 you're getting your undergraduate pre-medical pre-optometry degree, which then leads directly into your 4 years at the Worcester campus, where you get your Doctor of Optometry. At Worcester campus, I'm really excited. They have a full sim lab for the optometry students. It's modeled after an optical shop, so they have your retail side where they have glasses and contact fittings, but they also have mock exam rooms where they have the exam chairs. They also have a lot of equipment that optometrists would be using, like the photoreceptors and slit lamps. A lot of equipment you'd be using as a licensed optometrist, so you're getting a lot of hands-on training with this equipment before you get into your field. We have a really great small-knit community. Our average class size is around 20 students. So you're getting to know your peers really closely, but not only that, you're getting to know your professor as well. I was diagnosed with a condition called keratoconus, which is a degenerative condition of my eyes. But that really kind of motivates me to become an optometrist, because being in the chair myself, being diagnosed with a condition, is extremely stressful and also really scary. So I want to be able to help them out like my optometrist did for me.